Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will explain map function in Python. So map function executes specified function for each item in iterable, for example list, tuple, etc., and returns a map object which is an iterator of the result after executing the specified function for each item. So it returns a map object which you can pass to the functions like list to create a list and set function to create a set. So syntax is very simple. You can see syntax is map and it is taking two arguments, function and iterable. So you need to pass the function and iterable in the map function. Now we will understand it with the help of example. So let's define a function. So scare is a function and it is returning scare of n, and now I am going to define a list, and here I am passing some values. Okay, and now I will create a map. So I will call the map function, and here I will pass the function. So function name is scare, and I will pass the list. So list name is numbers, and then I will print I will pass this map result in the list, and then I will print the list. So let's run the, and you can see it has given the scale of all the numbers which are in the list, so you can see. So it's very easy to execute a map function for each item in iterable, and it return a map object which we can pass to the list or to the set. So you can see there is one function scare function and one list numbers. So I have passed the scare function and list to our map, and then I am passing the map to the list to print the list. Now I will explain another example. For that, let's create a function. So function name is, let's say, addition, and it is taking two arguments, n1 and n2, and function is returning addition of these two arguments. So now we will define two lists. So list 1, and here just pass any values, and similarly list 2. So these two are the list, and now I will create a map. So some result is my map name, and I will call the map function, and here first of all I will pass the function, and then list 1, and then list 2. It means I am passing one function and two list to my map function, and what would be the result? It will add all the items. For example, it will add 10 plus 70 and then 20 and 80. So I am passing to list to this map function. Addition is my function and it is returning the addition of both the numbers. Okay, and now what I will do, I will simply print and I will pass the result of this map here, and let's run this cell where you can see the addition 10 plus 70 80, 20 plus 80 100, and then 120 and then 140. So basically map function, it means we want to execute a particular function in this iterables. So it's very simple. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching.